Hi, I'm Bharti. Welcome to the Edu Bulletin. Let's dive into today's educational news. CBSE issues strict circular prohibiting distribution or access to question papers before exam completion. Unused papers to be repacked immediately. No copies for teachers or libraries as papers will be uploaded online post-exams. Center superintendents directed to ensure full accountability with total paper count matching supply. Violations to invite strict disciplinary action to safeguard examination integrity. CBSE directs affiliated schools to stop collection of unauthorized fees during Class 10 Second Board Exam LOC submission, clarifies three-phase process with no fee in initial phase and only prescribed examination fee permitted later. The board also warns against demanding tuition charges and cautions of strict action for violations. Delhi court grants interim bail to Class 12 student accused of attempted murder for allegedly stabbing classmate outside CBSE exam center. Bail permits completion of remaining board exam paper under strict conditions, citing risk of losing academic year and his right to education. CBSE declares 21st Central Teacher Eligibility Test February 2026 results. Nearly 6 lakh candidates qualify across papers 1 and 2 to receive lifetime valid certificates, with scorecards showing paper and section-wise marks available for download at seated.nic.in. Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalayas report 37 student suicides from 2021 to 2025, with Madhya Pradesh and Jharkhand recording the most cases. Education Ministry cites family issues, exam pressure, and mental health, with 3 additional suicides in early 2026, bringing the total to 40. Rajasthan Education Department bars new admissions in classes 11 and 12 at Jaipur's Nirja Modi School over child safety violations. Enrollment suspended for 2 years in Class 11 and 1 year in Class 12 following 2025 death of Class 4 student. Citing non-compliance with CBSE bylaws and state rules, permits existing students to continue, with DEO directed to issue transfer certificates and minimize academic disruption. Punjab to launch SMS alert system from 1st April to monitor student and teacher absenteeism in government schools, parents to receive same-day notifications if students are absent, with follow-up with the family if absence exceeds 2 days, while teacher absenteeism will also be reported to parents to enhance transparency and build parents' trust in government schools. CBSE issues circular for 6-month bridge course for in-service primary teachers following Supreme Court order. Refer to official CBSE circular and NIOS letter dated 13th of August, 2025 for detailed guidelines. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the Edu Bulletin. Save the number 721-707-0100 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.